Hi, I received a question from Aileen regarding the Amtech Mini Pipe Cutter. That's stock code CO100. The question was from Aileen, how does it work? Well, basically, there's the pipe cutter. As you can see, we call it a mini pipe cutter, and it is fairly small. Ideal for if you're working in a very restricted space. But basically it's suitable for what they call microbore pipes. So I've got some 10mm copper here, which is often used on radiators, so on central heating systems. Here's some 8mm microbore, which is also used on some radiators in houses, but also 8mm is quite often used if you've got an external oil tank delivering oil to your boiler. And then I've got some 6mm copper pipe here. So you can see they're not the normal size 15 or 22mm copper pipe used on hot water systems, say to your sink or your bath. So obviously you need to use a smaller pipe cutter. So basically all there is, there's a cutter wheel, which is here, which is standard with our other pipe cutters for 15 and 22mm pipe. There's two rollers here, which you lay the copper pipe in, and there's a thumb wheel, which you adjust, which brings the cutter wheel in contact with the copper, and then you keep turning it a little bit at a time until the cutter wheel cuts through the pipe. Yeah, so I've got some 10mm microbore here, and I'm just going to unscrew the cutter a little bit, locate it between the rollers and just nip up that, and now I'm just going to turn it clockwise, apply a bit more pressure to the screw, and in my hand I've got the piece I've cut off, and there's the end of the pipe, which has got a small shoulder, small bevel on the end, and it's cut it nice and square. So now you can either put a compression fitting on, or you can put a solder ring fitting on, whatever you're doing with your plumbing. So there's the micro pipe cutter, suitable for 6, 8, 10. If you were stuck, you could actually open it up to 15mm pipe, but it's easier on the 15mm pipe to have the longer handle so you can get more leverage. So I trust that helps, Aileen. If you have any other questions, please go to amtechdiy.com, and we look forward to answering them.